Microsoft Project gives us the ability to distribute project work evenly. It calls this process leveling of the resources. Let's see a simple leveling. Go to the Resource tab of the ribbon and click on the Level All icon. The project work is now distributed evenly. You can use leveling of the resources after you have changed the resource setting, as for example the resources base calendar. Go to the resource sheet from the icon in the status bar. Change the calendar of the project manager resource. Click on the Resource tab of the ribbon. And finally, click on the Level All button. Microsoft Project offers you a lot of ways to fix an overallocation of resources. One of them is the ability to reschedule to the next available date. Find the overallocated resource, right-click on the last task, select to automatically reschedule to the next available date. There is no overallocated resource now. Microsoft Project gives you the flexibility to change the duration of the task instead of rescheduling to the next available date. Find the Hospital Director work resource, change its max units to 50%, which means this resource can only spend 50% of its time to this project. Click on the Gantt chart icon of the ribbon, find the overallocated task, right-click on the overallocation, and choose to change the duration of the task.